Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is the voice of Lawrence CS. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to secure and safeguard your Telegram account from phishers, intruders and hackers. So there are simple and easy way you can be able to secure and safeguard your account very well. Let's go. So first of all, go to your Telegram. After that, you click on the three dot icon at the top most left of your screen, that is here. Then if you come here, you go to settings. From settings, you come to privacy and security. Then this is the place, privacy and security. We have two-step verification. This two-step verification is very necessary and essential. As you can see, my own is off also. But what secured my account was because of this email that I link with my Telegram account. If you link your Telegram account with your email, it is an additional security that will restrict unauthorized users to easily have access to your account. So make sure you on this two-step verification. You see, to complete two-step verification setup, check your email. So already I initiated the process the previous time, which I put my personal email. So they have even sent a code through the mail. So if I didn't get the code, let's check my Gmail. You will see the code. See, you will see Telegram. Your code is 293194. So you will easily go back and then put the code, and they are going to consider. So that's how to activate it. Then second thing, the third thing is to passcode lock. You can create additional password that will serve as an additional security measure for your account. This will give it another amount of security that will allow people to easily have access. So then another third thing is login email. Then you put your email address, you see the link, then you link it. So another last but not least is devices. Here, these devices that you are seeing is very essential to make sure that each and every device connected with your account is monitored and authorized by you. So if you come here, you are going to see. So these are the devices that are connected with my Telegram. You see this phone, another phone from Ibadan, Nigeria, with the version 11.14.1, Tecno Spark Ugo 1. I don't know it. It is connected to my Telegram account. So anything can happen to my Telegram account if I did not fire this one, because I don't know it. Then what you can do is to be secured is to click on it, and then what? You see Telegram, accept secret chat, accept. If you put it on like this, they can accept your chat and they can accept your calls. Then you are going to come here. You can access it from here, from settings directly. You can go to devices, you will see them. You see the phone at the top, you see active session, another one. So this active session you can see is HP ProBook. That is my laptop. I'm away and I'm the person who will link it. So this Tecno Spark 7 Go, I don't know it. And I'll now click on it. So automatically this is mute, this is mute. So I can say terminate all other sessions. It will ask me, I will say terminate. So all other sessions terminated. So I will now see Wiki. So if even my system now is warped down, I have to relink it again. I will now go back. So my account is actually safe. So that's how we can easily safeguard your Telegram accounts and create additional security measures that will protect the account from being hacked. So if you find this video helpful, make sure to follow the CS Digitals for more video updates. And if you have any question or need any mentorship concerning anything, you can drop it in the comment section. Thank you. Do not hesitate to share this with your loved ones.